on the calcium carbide's harmful effect on ripening fruits. Calcium carbide is a chemical used to ripen fruit within 24 to 48 hours. Basically, in all the fruits, there is a hormone called ethylene, which helps in the ripening of fruits. But when the calcium carbide is added to the fruit, it mimics the working of the ethylene hormone and ripens the fruit in a short period of time. So today we are here with a kit which will help us in detecting whether the fruit is made up of calcium carbide or not. Now this kit contains iodine solution, dilute sulfuric acid solution, and water, which might help us in testing the presence of calcium carbide. Calcium carbide also leaves a remark of calcium hydroxide when used, which can be identified from the fruit by white or ash gray presence remark. And calcium carbide is really dangerous for our lives because when it is added, it releases some toxic emittents like arsenic hydride and phosphoric hydride, which might be the causative agents of kidney and liver damage and many cardiac diseases are happening due to it. Now our team member will do a experiment. So this is a banana, and to test the presence of calcium carbide, here we are taking the peel, and the pieces of it will be added into a test tube, and some water will be added. After some time, the peel will be removed, and dilute sulfuric acid will be added. If there are some calcium precipitate in the bottom of the test tube, it will show that calcium hydroxide has been present in the banana. Now our team member is adding water. Now, this is a dilute sulfuric acid. When the dilute sulfuric acid is added, after some time, there will be white precipitate, also known as calcium sulfate, at the bottom, which will show that the calcium hydroxide has been produced and the calcium carbide is used to ripen the banana. Now, here as she has added the iodine, we are here testing the presence of iodine, because if it turns blue black, it will show that it has been artificially ripened, because the conversion of starch to sugar happens very quickly when it is artificially ripened. As you can see that the solution has changed to blue black color, it is properly we can properly know that it is made up of artificially ripened. It is an artificially ripened banana, and it is made up of calcium carbide. Thank you. Now we can see that there are that the calcium sulfate is formed at the bottom of the test tube, which shows that it has been artificially ripened. And it is really harmful because it releases acetylene gas, which is a highly flammable gas. And it is also the biggest problem faced by the people in our country, because they pay money for the thing they buy, but still they don't get the worthy product. We have find out that calcium carbide is used in this banana to ripen. So we have to be aware, and this kit should be used to find out that whether a banana is artificially ripened or naturally ripened. Thank you.